Hey everyone, if you are on Snapchat and find yourself in a group chat that you would like to leave, I've got you covered. Let's jump into Snapchat and I will show you how to do it. Open the Snapchat app and tap on the messages or the conversation icon at the bottom left. Find the group chat you want to leave and tap on it. Once you're on the group chat, tap on the profile picture at the top left. Now, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. In the options that appear, look for Leave Group and tap on it. Snapchat will provide a notice stating that leaving the group will remove you from its story and any chats or snaps you have sent will be cleared. If you're okay with this, tap on Leave. And just like that, you will be removed from the group chat. Keep in mind that leaving the group doesn't remove other participants. They can continue chatting without you. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.